Hey, your attention please. We'll be arriving at our final destination, Ottawa Station, in a few minutes. For your safety and ours, we ask that you remain seated at your seats until the train comes to a complete stop at the station.
If you're planning a trip to Ottawa and want a practical, comfortable stay that doesn't skimp on amenities, let me introduce you to the Business Inn and Suites. It's not a flashy hotel, but it's one of the most thoughtfully equipped places I've stayed at in Canada. The hotel was established in 1987 by Ron and Barbara Davidson, and it still carries the vibe of a family-run independent property. The location is superb, smack in the heart of Ottawa. You're within walking distance of Parliament Hill, the Rideau Canal, and the National Arts Centre. Food options are plentiful. Cafes, pubs, and restaurants line Elgin Street. Need essentials? Farm Boy Supermarket and Rexall Pharmacy are just around the corner. Starbucks and McDonald's are literally across the street. Check-in was smooth. It was a little unconventional. The front desk also acts as a small office for the staff, but everyone was friendly and welcoming. A deposit of 100 Canadian dollars was required, which was refunded without issue at checkout. When I first stepped into the hallway, I noticed the interiors were a bit dated. But the moment I opened the door to my room, my perspective completely changed. I stayed in a king studio, 37 square meters, at 202 Canadian dollars per night. The suite felt like a small apartment. It had everything I needed, not just for a night or two, but for an extended stay. The king-size bed was incredibly comfortable, cloud-like in fact. I actually slept better here than I do at home. There's a brown leather sofa that reclines, green carpeting underfoot, and large windows that flood the room with natural light. Curtains are full blackout, which I appreciated for sleeping in. One of the standout features is the dedicated work area. It includes a full desktop computer preloaded with Microsoft Office, a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and a printer. There's even a desk mat that doubles as a mousepad. For remote workers, this is a dream setup. The kitchen is fully functional. You get a full-size fridge, electric stove, and oven, a range hood, microwave, coffee maker, and a toaster. Cabinets are stocked with plates, bowls, mugs, wine glasses, pots, pans, colander, chopping board, and a full set of utensils. Honestly, you could cook a proper dinner here. Storage is generous. 2 wardrobes, luggage rack, hangers, ironing board, even a vacuum cleaner. What stood out to me was the inclusion of a laundry basket and a winter boot tray. Small things, but very thoughtful. The bathroom was clean and practical. A long vanity with bright circular lights made it easy to get ready. Dove toiletries were provided, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and lotion. The combination tub and shower included a handheld shower head and a grab bar, which adds a nice touch of accessibility. The room had an air conditioner that worked well, though it was a little noisy. A Dyson tower fan is also provided for warmer days. An air purifier removes airborne pollutants and contaminants on hazy days. And the balcony? That was a bonus. It felt great to sit outside, enjoy the breeze, and watch the city below. Here's something that really impressed me. If you skip housekeeping, they give you 10 Canadian dollars back per day. That's a first for me. And if you need fresh towels or supplies, there are cupboards at the end of each floor where you can help yourself. It's such a refreshing change to be treated like a responsible adult.
Morning.
Breakfast was, in a word, epic. It's served daily from 7 a.m. in a bright communal space. Plenty of seating, and even an overflow room during busy mornings. There was hot food, egg bites, hash browns, sausages, and breakfast sandwiches packed in to-go containers. A big win for anyone who wants to grab and go. There was also hot oatmeal with a toppings bar, blueberries, pecans, brown sugar, even maple syrup. Yogurt cups, bottled water, milk and juice, sliced deli meats, muffins, croissants, and fresh fruit. Coffee was excellent, including espresso machines. You even get a snack pack to take away, water, a granola bar, and a cookie. Everything was served in disposable containers, but the hotel uses bamboo cutlery, which is a nice eco-conscious touch. One of the most convenient features was the 24-hour laundry room. Free machines, free detergent, and dryer sheets. They even have a steam closet, great for de-wrinkling suits, jackets, or delicate fabrics. The gym is compact but complete. Treadmill, bikes, rowing machine, weights, bench press. Perfect for keeping your routine going while on the road. There's an ice machine on every floor. It's a small touch, but useful if you like to wind down with a cold drink. The Business Inn and Suites doesn't pretend to be luxury, but for its price, location, and thoughtful amenities, it delivers exceptional value. The suite felt like home. The breakfast was the best I've had at a Canadian hotel. And the little things, the printer, the laundry room, the breakfast snack pack, make a big difference. This is a place that respects your needs and your wallet. For Gen X travelers who prefer comfort and function over frills, I can't recommend this place enough.